What's going on, everyone? Christian Lovrecich from pixlfeed here, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the Secrets Trilogy by Russell Brunson. I actually been waiting for this forever and it finally got here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the whole unboxing so you guys can see the whole trilogy, the whole package, and I'm actually gonna give you a review of each book and what I thought of them. I've already read them, as you can see them here, but this one comes with a special bonus, and these are hardcovers. So let's get started. Let's check it out. I'm super excited about this. So the first thing that I noticed on the box is, if you look closely right there, it says, please scan the barcode for a special message from Russell Brunson. So let's check that out. Let's go through the whole experience as if you guys were doing it. So there you go. So open, and let's see what it is, and hopefully you guys can hear. And what that's loading, I'm gonna start opening this, and let's see.
Hey, what's up? This is Russell. If you're watching this video right
Boom.
now, you either just got this box in the mail, or you got this huge box in the mail. Either way, whether you got this box, which either has DotCom Secrets, Expert Secrets, or Traffic Secrets, or you got this box, which has the entire Secrets Trilogy, plus
Cool.
the bonus Unlock Secrets workbook, regardless of which one of these boxes you
It's pretty cool.
You could just open it right now and be like, oh, I'm opening the box and start reading the books, which is kind
I'm gonna put it down, but you guys can hear it.
really cool. I want to ask you a really quick favor that means the world to me. If you could take a minute and actually pull out your phone or your iPad or whatever and record yourself opening. We call these unboxing videos.
Oh, he's asking for a review. So he's asking for a review.
So, open or something and show me the excitement, like why you're excited.
So
Why did you order this book?
here it is. Quick start guide, and here's the books. And basically he's asking you, it's a landing page where he's asking you to basically do an unboxing video, which I didn't even know, see? And send it to him. So I'm probably gonna use it as a testimonial in the funnel. But here it is. And the reason why I got this, because as you guys can see, I have the books right here, is because of that bonus right there, and because they're hardcover. So it comes with a quick start guide. And the quick start guide, as you guys can see here, is basically explains what each book is in the trilogy, all right, and how you in what order you should read them, and it basically walks you through, and to join the Facebook group. It gives you there's an upsell to get Clickfunnels for a special price for $19.97. It's a actually test drive Clickfunnels for free, so it's a free trial for Clickfunnels. And and then you get a course. You get one of his courses for free. That's pretty awesome. So, and the links for all this stuff is in the description, by the way. So just check it out. Then you also got, there's a marketing secrets app, so you can download an app. So that's in there as well. And then you have, well, that's weird. So order the Secrets Trilogy and get to unlock the Secrets workbook for free. So I pre-ordered this. I was one of the first people who got it. It's literally been sitting there for weeks now because I've been so busy, and I already read the book. So, but that's kind of weird including that. I don't know why he would do that. It's probably an error or something. But check out the books. So here's the books. Oh man, I'm so excited. That's gonna look so good right behind me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give those away in my group. Which the link, it's always in the description of all my videos. So you got, man, this is pretty heavy. You got DotCom Secrets, Expert Secrets, Traffic Secrets, and Unlock the Secrets. So Unlock the Secrets is supposed to be a workbook that basically he's going to hold your hand and walk you through how to do everything that he's taught you, so you know how to implement everything step by step. Okay, so let's pull those out. Oh man, look how great that looks. And the colors, the colors go together. You got red, blue, green, and that light blue. It's a, high quality binders. Man, I'm telling you, that's gonna look great in there. So let's go over the books and my thoughts on the books, okay? I always, if you watch my videos, there's the links. In every video, I have the links for these 3 books right there. Why is that? Because if you're in marketing, if you're just getting started, or if you're in marketing whatsoever, these are the marketing Bibles. Any business, if you're a business owner, you need to read these books. Even if you're not even online yet, especially with just what we just went through with COVID and all that stuff. If people would have read these books, they would have known exactly what to do. They would have been prepared for what just happened. Okay, so even if you're a brick and mortar business, you're just getting started, even if you're a pro, you need to read these books. And like, if you get them separate, they're free. It's free shipping with the links in the description below. So my thoughts. So you got DotCom Secrets, right? And actually he breaks it down in here for you, you know, when you get the books. So DotCom Secrets is essentially, it gives you the secrets of how to grow your business online, how to craft an offer, how to create your value ladder. Okay, it's gonna show you how to create what's called an email sequence, a backend sequence, how to craft your offer. That's what DotCom Secrets is. It's how to grow your company online and, you know, faster than everybody else and beat everybody in the online game. All right, I love these books. I just went through them with the audio because this came with the audio. So I just listened to all three of them again in the past couple weeks. So you got DotCom Secrets and you got Expert Secrets. Expert Secrets is more of you know, finding your voice, building your tribe, building a group of people that trust your advice and they're in the same team as you are. Okay, so this is going to show you essentially how to build the right webinar, how to build a following around you and your products, right? The people who have you know, the most success online are those who learn how to communicate with their clients and how to service them and how to get your voice out there. Okay, so Expert Secrets is definitely going to show you everything about, you know, how to create a good hook, story, and offer, and how to build that tribe like I'm doing with you guys, right? So Expert Secrets. Then you got Traffic Secrets. This is the newest one that literally just came out not too long ago. I think it was released in what are we right now? We're in June. I think it was released in February, the pre-order, or somewhere on there. I don't remember. Don't take my word for it. But Traffic Secrets is how to generate traffic to your funnel or your website. So everybody has this thing that if you build a funnel or a website, all of a sudden you're gonna get all this traffic and people are gonna buy from you. And that is not the case. And it's not only about paid traffic, he actually goes over organic traffic as well. He's gonna break down for you in this book, he actually breaks it down, how to get, you know, how to follow your dream 100, how to get on the radar, how to connect with them so they start pushing your products and you start getting that organic traffic. He talks about, you know, how to get on traffic through Google, how to get traffic through Facebook, every which way that he uses to get traffic to his funnels. I highly, highly recommend it. So if you're gonna read them, you should read them. Again, links in the description. You need to read it in this order: DotCom Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets. That's how you read it. And then if you get the trilogy, this is new to me. I haven't seen this, so I'm pretty stoked about it. Look how thick that is. Look how big that is. That's a big book, man. That's like a Bible. Oh, look, it even has the little, I don't even know what that's called in English, the little thing to mark where you're at in the book. So let's check it out. So it has that a bookmarker. I guess. Is that what it's called in English? Bookmarker? I don't know. It's something like that. Oh my God, this is crazy. I cannot wait to start digging into this even though I've done it. See, there you go. You got your little marker right here where you can mark where you're at when you're, you know, putting everything into place. So unlock the secret. Let's see. Let's check it out. So look at this stuff, guys. Look how much stuff is in there. Can you? I hope you guys can see this. Check that out. So finding your voice, teaching your frameworks, the 3 core markets or desires, the new opportunity, more money for the same framework, the future-based cost, the Epiphany Bridge, the Hero's 2 Journeys, the Epiphany Bridge script, the 4 core stories, the perfect webinar framework, the big domino, the 3 secrets, stack and closes, trial closes, testing your presentation live, the perfect webinar, the 5-minute perfect webinar, plugging Expert Secrets into your value ladder. Who is your dream customer? What are they hiding? The Dream 100. Hook, story, offer, and attractive character. Work your way in. Buy your way in. Traffic that you own. Follow-up funnels. Infiltrating the Dream 100. I just talked about that. How to fill your funnel. Growth hacking. I mean, it goes on and on and on. And, you know, one thing that I love about Russell's books is they have this little cool drawings all over them. And, you know, it has an introduction. And basically, it's a step-by-step of how to implement everything, guys. So if you're getting started or you already have a business, I already know what I'm doing, but I'm still gonna go through this. This is how you get better. So I cannot wait to dig into this, and I'm actually gonna give these away since I'm gonna make space for the box right here. And so join the group in the comments below. And then guys, I'm telling you, this is a great deal. They look beautiful on your bookshelf. Read them. You need to go through them. And just use the links in the description below. Support the channel. And guys, if you like this video, if you have any questions, let me know in the Facebook group or in the comments down below. And if you want to keep learning, keep moving forward and taking your business to the next level, click one of the boxes right above me. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. I can't wait.